Emma. How's it going?
Hey, Nelson. Not too bad. How about you?
I'm doing pretty well. Just busy with teaching, as usual.
Yeah, tell me about it. I've been swamped with grading papers and preparing lesson plans.
I know what you mean. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it when you see your students succeed.
Absolutely. Speaking of students, how are yours doing this semester?
They're doing pretty well, actually. I've got a really engaged group this year.
That's great to hear. How do you keep them engaged?
I try to make the material as interesting and relevant as possible. I also give them a lot of opportunities to ask questions and participate in class discussions.
That's a good approach. I try to do the same thing in my classes.
Yeah, I've heard great things about your teaching. What do you think makes you a good teacher?
Oh, I don't know. I just try to be passionate and enthusiastic about the subject matter. And I really care about my students and their success.
That's definitely important. I think one of the things that makes me a good teacher is my willingness to adapt my teaching style to different students' needs.
Yeah, that's a great quality to have. I think being flexible and open-minded is really important in teaching.
Agreed. And it's always great to talk to other teachers and exchange ideas like this.
Absolutely. We can all learn from each other and improve our teaching practices.
Yeah, it's always great to talk to other teachers and exchange ideas like this.
Absolutely. We can all learn from each other and improve our teaching practices.
Well, I should probably get going. I've got a class starting in a few minutes.
Of course. It was great talking to you, Nelson.
Likewise, Emma. Take care and have a good day.
You too, Nelson. Good luck with your class.